Hi, this is IK. Welcome to a calling called where's dispatch subscribed. A common case in programming is calling function and called function. Calling called function. Calling function asks something from called function, and called function return that to calling function. But here we have dispatch subscribe. We look at in post list.js component. Post list, as the name said, need posts, plural, post, need array post. It is need state post, array post. And what post list, it is function, post list, it is function component. What post list do? What does post list do? To have a list, to have state post. State post is on remote server, in mock server in our application. What function post list do? Calling? No. Calling some function? No. But dispatch. Dispatch tank function. Dispatch tank function and means that would be request, get request to fetch data from server, and dispatch that state to Redux store, change existing state with new state, and post list is subscribe to that state, to new state. It is like I said, a journalist go write news in a newspaper. I am subscribed to that news. And same here, post list dispatch, here it is, dispatch, not calling, but dispatch, fetch posts. It is tank function. And that tank function go organize asynchron get request to mock server, and there is all that what we said a lot of time about that, dispatch action to Redux store reducer, and that action finally, if all is okay, change payload, change existing actual state, change in a new state, and post list is subscribed to that new state. Subscribed to state. Every changes in state immediately is visible, is transmit to post list. Again, post list don't calling fetch post, but dispatch fetch post. Fetch post tank organize asynchron request to mock server. If all is okay, return object promise, return payload, it is post state, and dispatch, it would be dispatched to Redux store, concretely reducer as action, payload in action, and that payload and existing state together would be created a new state, and in immutable way created new state, but post list is subscribed to that state and immediately see changes what happened. Dispatch, subscribe, dispatch, subscribe. It is two possibility, two feature of Redux and concretely of store. We see dispatch, we don't see subscribe, but we see use selector. In background of use selector is method subscribe, and it is again declarative programming where we don't see context background, but we see only what we want for goal. And our goal here is post list is subscribed to state in Redux store reducer state, subscribed, and it is here. Post is subscribed to state, status is subscribed, error is subscribed to state. There is no calling and call function, but there is a post list function, dispatch, and here is interesting. Component, what is subscribed, that component dispatch. That component dispatch, because every component take care about yourself. What component need? Okay, ask it. In React Redux, it means dispatch it. You need post list, dispatch. What this dispatch tank that request get on mock server and in response send action to Redux store reducer, and if all is okay, a change would be reducer will change immutable way, change existing actual state and would be a new state, and post list is subscribed. Post list, and when we see here, it is one function what post list is a calling function and called function. Post list dispatch and post list subscribe. Post list subscribe. But of course, between post list dispatch and post list subscribe, there is a fetch post tank function what does a lot of job. Get asynchron request, dispatch action to reducer store, etc. Okay, it is interesting to me. I hope it would be interesting to you. Calling called, here is a post list in a role of calling and call. Thanks to tech, a tech function. If you know somebody that need videos like this, tell them, write on your network, and if you need, subscribe, like, comment. because a growing community around this video will learn, will teach all of us, me and you, bigger community, bigger learning teachers. Thank you for watching this video.